But the pump here is then taking the condensed steam and cooling water and pumping it back out into the cooling pond. By all means, go upstairs, have a look. It is quite warm up there. Well, yeah, I mean, you complicate within the dog food design. Why? It's only the size of it.
Mann, warte mal, das sind die Herrschaften
Coal rather than unmet, that would be using coal.
Das ist jetzt in der, da siehst du, ne? Siehst du, oder? Richtig?